How to log in iSearning. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into iSearning. Login in iSearning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit iSearning, type iSearning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on second link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your user ID and your password. Input the user ID associated with iSearning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot/reset your password. Click on login. After entering your credential, click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.